Hey everyone, this is Anthony, your LA realtor. I hope you're having a great day. This is actually my first home video tour. You're in for a treat. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, recently rebuilt in Culver City. I mean, absolutely stunning. Stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, beautiful background tiling. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through it right now. So what did you think about the home? It's beautiful, right? 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, roughly 1,000 square feet. Beautifully manicured yard. There's a patio space behind the garage. And then the driveway is covered. It's generous in size, so it's perfect for hosting events. I actually really like this home, not just for hosting events, but for families as well. The kids can play in this very generous sized yard, and there's a gate, so it's not like they can escape. And then the layout of the home is amazing because it has the common spaces towards the entrance of the home, and then it has the bedrooms towards the rear of the home. So it gives you that privacy if you don't want anyone towards the rear of the home. And the white walls are beautiful. They make everything stand out, especially with the tile in the kitchen. It just pops. So I really, really like what they did with the construction of this home. So please let me know if you want to make an offer on this home. My number is 562-275-2563. I'm going to put it here. It's in the description of this video. In this market, you need to move really quickly, and it's about who you know as opposed to what your offer is sometimes, just because you may have 5, 10, 15 offers and it's not going to be able to stand out. But if you have that relationship with the realtor, with the builder, then you have that in. So please let me know if you have any questions. Again, you need to contact me as soon as possible because, again, this market moves really quickly. If you're wondering where this home is located, it's about 2 miles from downtown Culver City, about 3 miles from the beach, really close to the 405 freeway. So it's very convenient in that sense. And if for some reason this home doesn't work out, I'm going to be shooting a lot of other homes that are very similar to this. So just please let me know what you're looking for, and I'm going to try to shoot a home with that type of design. Again, this is Anthony, your LA realtor. Thanks for listening. This is my first home video tour, so I'm excited to get it out there. Thank you for bearing with me to the very end of this video. I want to wish you all the best. Take care. Stay safe.